alphabet acorns. So we're going to go through our ABCs, open up some acorn surprises, see what's inside.
Wow, so many here.
Yeah,
let's try this one.
Start with A.
This is?
A. A is right here. Show everybody A.
And
The
this is A.
Acorn.
A.
Open it up. What's inside?
It's an apple.
Ooh, A is for apple. Right?
I'll put a surprise apple
Yeah, we'll put them over here when we're done, okay?
right here.
Yeah.
And with
Yeah, B next. Where's B? Open. B acorn.
Oh, it's a boat.
A boat. Show everybody the boat.
And this boat is really like so tiny.
It's an orange boat. Okay, next one.
It's
Let's do C.
Wait.
I'll put them together again. Here. Okay. Yeah. Open C. Here's C.
See?
Yes. What is it?
It's Daddy's car.
It's Daddy's car. My car's in green now. What do you think?
Wow.
Show
yeah.
everybody the beautiful car.
This is a car is green. This is like a Daddy's car.
Oh, don't run me over. No.
I get dirty.
Oh. Ah.
Oh no, you're dirty.
I'm dirty.
Here, kid. I want to put a surprise star in that car. I will put C in it. And on the store.
Okay, D.
Ah!
D is next. This one.
D. Oh, I got a dinosaur.
Ooh.
I got a dinosaur.
A D for dinosaur. Ah. Show everybody the dinosaur.
He's eating.
He's eating me. My beard? He's eating my beard?
Yeah, he wants for the beer.
Okay, next one.
Ah! Oh no, it's eating me.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh no, your cheeks.
Ah, my tricks. I can't choose anymore to eat.
Okay, next one.
Is
E.
E.
E. Open it. Red.
Elephant.
A red elephant. Show everybody the elephant. Whoa.
Here's the elephant. It's red.
Yeah, it's a cute elephant. It's pretty big too. He barely fits in there.
Wow, he fit.
I got it. Got it? Good job. F is next. Purple F. For
A frog.
a frog. Whoa, he's a cool frog. Show everybody that.
He's so big too.
Yeah, he's big too.
Wow, surprise frog.
Okay, next one.
Bye bye frog.
Bye-bye.
Oh no, he's all down with the frog.
Yeah. G is next. This one. Go, go, go.
Something's big.
Yeah, he doesn't make any noise.
This is not nosy.
It's a grasshopper.
Doesn't make a nose.
He likes to jump, jump, jump.
This doesn't make a nosy.
No, he's too big. Look at how big he is. Show everybody. Show everybody that big grasshopper.
He's so big.
Look at those big legs. Okay, next one. H.
H. See this green, a white green H.
And H. Green H. What is it?
Oh no, it's this. Oh, it's a hippo.
Hippopotamus. That's cool. Show everybody the hippo.
If this is a hippo, you can swim.
Ooh.
If we wins, we can put.
It's a big hippo. Is he a hungry hippo?
Yes, we play that. We play that.
Yeah, we do. We have that, right?
Yeah, and you click, and the boys can eat it.
Yeah, because he's hungry. I is next, right? I.
Marty, something is small.
Yeah, what is it? strawberry ice cream?
Yeah.
Show everybody the strawberry ice cream.
There's a strawberry ice cream.
Mm-hmm. Good job. Next one.
With surprise ice cream. Oh no! He's scared. Or he's melting.
Melting? There's no more ice cream?
No.
So that means we go to J.
Shaman.
Ooh, I don't know what this one is. What's J stand for?
A jar.
A jar. Ooh, that's a big jar. Look everyone. Look at this beautiful jar.
Nom. Eat the cookie. Nom.
It's a cookie jar? Or is it a pickle jar?
A pickle.
Okay.
Wait, I eat the pickle.
Pickles. Or cookies. Cookie jar?
Yes.
Okay, it's a cookie jar.
Yeah, I put the cookie jar. Surprise. Cinnamon.
Okay, here. Ooh, put it back here. Over here. Oh, this is next. K.
Look. Something.
Ooh, I don't know what it is.
Who's that?
Ooh, was that a koala bear? Oh, look at that cute little koala bear. Show everybody.
He's a koala and he's a cutie. And I'll put surprise.
Oh, no.
He's taking. He's taking.
They took him?
Yeah.
Okay, L is next.
It's a leaf?
Maybe.
Oh, it's a leaf.
Yeah, it is. Good job. Show everybody that.
Then
leaf.
this is a leaf.
An orange leaf.
I can eat the leaf?
Nah. What are you, a baby dinosaur?
No.
Are you a giraffe?
Now eat it.
No.
Wow, it's too sticky?
Yeah.
Eat it.
Yeah.
It's good?
Mm.
No, it's good.
It's a plastic leaf.
Let's see.
Ew.
Let's see. It's not strong?
It's stinky. A stinky leaf. Okay, put it back. Let's show everybody. M is next.
M.
M. What is it?
I
Oh,
got it.
I got it.
Take it. Wow.
What's M for? Mario?
Again?
Open it, Mario.
Yes,
What
it
is
is.
it? Open it.
What? That's not Mario.
No, show everybody. What is that?
This is like whoa.
It's a mitt.
This mine.
It's a mitt, yeah.
No, it's mine.
Show everybody.
And this
It's
is
a mitt
net.
for M.
Wow.
Oh, good job. Okay, N is next.
And is a dinosaur on the side?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, it's a baby egg.
It's a nest.
And this the.
A nest with eggs. Show everybody those eggs.
Oh, he's sitting.
Oh, no. Are you hatching those eggs?
Yeah.
Are you a little baby penguin?
Now I heard that it's breaking.
Oh.
Oh no, it's breaking.
Oh, no.
Ah!
Oh, you got babies. Did you show everybody the nest?
Oh no, what the brick? Here's the baby eggs. Oh no, it's taking.
Okay.
It's
next.
taking. Someone is taking.
They're taking. Okay, O is next. Right here.
Oh. It's not shaking.
No, this one's a big one too. I wonder what
It's
this
not
is.
shaking.
It's not making any noise. It must be big. And
Uh-huh.
what is it?
Ah!
Whoa!
Look,
It's
look.
octopus. Shh. Look, it's Hank, everyone.
Well, no, it's spitting
It's
out.
Ah!
Ah!
Yeah.
And it goes. There you go. This just do the head.
Whoa!
Do the heady. Hi! No, look, my glasses now going into my eyes.
Oh, me too. Look. See? Oh.
Ooh, that's a
Okay.
high. Where's it?
Next one.
Oh, it's a high too.
P. P is next. Right there.
Who is it?
I don't know.
It's a ooh,
Ooh.
a pig.
A little piggy. Show everybody
Oink,
that piggy.
oink, oink.
Oh, got you, piggy.
Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Oink, oink.
No, little piggy. Show everybody that little piggy.
This a pig. A pig. A pig.
Okay. Next. Q.
Whoa, whoa. That's just like this.
Q is next. Right there. I wonder
Doing
what this
this.
one is. What is it? Doesn't make noise.
No.
Ooh, it's big. There we go.
It's a meow.
It's a queen.
No, it's a meow.
What? No, that's... Whoa. Ah, Mario. That's a princess. That's a queen, I mean. It's a queen.
No, it's a meow.
Q is for queen.
No, Q is a meow.
Show everybody. Let them decide.
And this is a meow.
Oh, really? I don't think so.
Yes, this thing's a.
No.
Sure.
Okay, next one.
Wow.
Oh, R is next.
R. Ooh. Is everything Lucy? Oh, it's a robot.
What is it?
It's a
A robot. Ooh, that's cool.
Booba,
That's a cool robot. Show everybody. Ah! Show everybody the robot.
This is a robot. Meow.
Show everybody. You're shaking it.
Here is
No.
This is a meow robot. This is your top.
Everything's a Mario. Huh? Cool. Okay, S is next. What is it? A snake? What do you
Yes.
think? I don't know. Let's find out.
It's no, this.
Hmm.
Oh, the starfish.
It's a star. Show everybody.
Twinkle, sing.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are.
That's
How you fell down on Haley. Okay, next one. Next one is T over there.
T. What? Oh, it's a choo-choo.
Train.
A train.
Show everybody. That's a cool looking train. Here. Show everybody the train.
There's a train.
It's upside down.
Let's sit down like this.
Nobody can see it. It's upside down. Your hand's blocking. Go like this.
And then down here like this. And
What? Oh. Okay, the next one is you. What is you? What's in you?
umbrella.
Ooh.
Surprise!
Ooh, an umbrella for the rain.
Surprise, Mommy, it's an umbrella.
A red umbrella. Good job.
So then, roll that
Okay.
down.
Okay, V is next.
It's a school
Ooh,
bus.
a van.
It's a school bus.
A van.
A school bus.
Okay, school bus.
Here's
Also-
a school bus.
V is for van.
No, this
Okay.
is a school bus.
Let's show everybody and let them decide. What do
This
you
is
guys think
This
that
is
is?
a
Put it in the
school
comments.
bus, and this is a school bus. No. Oh, students on side.
Yeah, you got it. Okay, W is next.
Oh, for this. It's where shaking.
Yeah, what is it? I don't know.
Oh no,
Oh, wow.
it's a whale.
That's a big whale. Look at that.
Whale.
Wow, show everybody that big
Look,
whale.
whoa.
Whoa.
I get my eyes.
Was there water in your eyes now?
Yeah, And then the mommy's eyes.
Wow.
Oh
Show
no.
everybody the green is red.
My eyes is oh my god. Look. Like this.
Show
Like
everybody.
this.
Hey.
Look, the mommy's eyes is small. Look. Mommy's eyes is small. You don't have two eyes. You have a one eye.
Okay. Show everybody the whale. You didn't show everybody.
Well, and this is a whale. Because apples.
Okay. Next one. X.
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 Where's it? Who's there?
Ooh, it's a xylophone for X. Bravo.
Surprise. Oh, no, it's on.
Okay, we're up to Y now. Y is next.
The beef again?
I don't think so.
It's a yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
Purple yo-yo.
Purple yo-yo. Show everybody our purple yo-yo.
Do they make a circus?
What was that?
It's a circus.
Show her.
Oh,
Whoa!
my fuck that. This that. Ooh.
Okay, that's it. Y for yo-yo, and Z is our last one.
Who is there?
Z.
Where is it?
Right there.
Where is it?
Z.
Ah, zebra.
Show everybody that zebra.
This is orange zebra.
Yeah, orange zebra.
And
That's cool looking.
And then the organ.
Okay, put that one back here. We're gonna
No,
put them all
I'll
back.
show you. I'll show you.
You're gonna show me?
What?
Whoa!
This is a tower. A tower.
Oh, a tower.
I want to make it.
Okay.
Mommy and Daddy and Daddy.
Okay. Okay, we've finished our acorn
Tower.
alphabet acorn tower. It's from Learning Resources. And just like we said, there's the box. It comes with A through Z acorn surprises.
Silly.
Each one comes with a different one for the alphabet.
I
It corresponds to. Where are you going, pretty?
I'm going to Mommy. Ah,
Oh, don't knock it down.
don't let it fall down.
Okay.
I'm making.
Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, right?
Mommy.
Bye-bye, everyone. Thanks for
Bye-bye.
watching.
Bye bye.